Didn't you lose your head? You want a doctor who really cares, who will get you the results you need from your very first surgery.
It's been around 7 months.
Okay. It's been 7 months after 3,000 grafts were implanted to create a hairline, frontal scalp, and mid scalp as well. And the growth is coming in, and it's looking very natural. Normally, for hair transplantation, when you have somebody with black hair, light colored skin, and thick hair like that, the challenge is in creating a soft hairline transition, and we were able to use nape hair for the vanguard hair to create this soft look. And so far, has there been any comment as to a natural look or anything like that?
Oh, no, not at all. I mean, all my friends, they're dying to have my hair now.
Alright, beautiful. That's what we want to hear. So with just 3,000 grafts, I would say the yield is very good actually, so I'm quite happy with this. And
It's
the
free.